Depending on the complexity of the project, I'd say it's kind of a no-brainer, especially or according to our experience, because it enables you to see things and optimize things that you otherwise wouldn't be able to, or it's just extremely hard. It's risky to find these optimizations that in simulations it's pretty easy to identify and optimize. The main benefit is to be able to iterate quite quickly, to be able to try things out without too much of a cost. Once the simulation is set up, it's pretty easy to change certain aspects and see how they play out. Yeah, and by that create confidence, create optimizations, and go on site with something that probably, hopefully works better than just doing it the conventional way. I'd say the first and most important usually is that it resolves the issue of people having different things in their head, understanding different things, because it kind of makes all the process, all the planning quite transparent. It's easy to understand, and that resolves a lot of miscommunication, risks that isn't resolved because nobody talked about it. The other part that's quite usual is things that have kind of spatial or we call them dynamic collisions, things that occur in time at some point. You might have some collision between some parts, some machinery. That's hard to understand using a Gantt chart, and in 3D simulations it's quite easy. Or we can even test for it automatically, just test about is there any collision occurring along the simulation time.